Oh, today's combination, we did a lot of hand toss, we did a lot of outside turns for us.
Yeah,
Not for you,
we
but
did mariposa for me.
mariposas, traicioneras, using one hand at a time. What happened?
Yes.
Instead of doing the normal,
Yep.
we did. Yes?
Sí.
Okay? So, let's get to it. First, hand position. This is only when I do steps like Madrid step, box step, any other type of directional step, things like that nature. That's when I use this hand hold. So I'm gonna start with this. I'm gonna do Madrid first. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Back to hooks. Notice I go from here, back to hooks. Why, Dessa? Because I'm about to turn you, correct?
Correct.
Then I turn you. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Leads. Try not to keep going left. Go to the right. So as soon as I do my step, I stop. But I already have that step going on for me. To do this, easier. Yes? So outside turn as I do this. I'm going to do another hand toss with the stop. But Jessa, you don't know that. I just told you.
We did.
But social dancing follows you don't know that we're going to stop your hand. We do it for you. 1, 2, 3, 4. See? Jessa was able to follow that based on the movement. So we go 5, 6, 7, 8. I'll do that prep again. It's not just this. It's not pointing. Stepping, tap. Put all the weight on the prep. Then I start with my right. 1, 2, 3, and 4. I open. As soon as I turn in, Jess is gonna obviously bring the hands up. 5, 6, 7, 8. As I keep going, 1, 2, 3. I can do merengue step. Yes? So, without interruptions, Jessa, facing this way. Basic. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here we go. Madrid step. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, and 3, and 5, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, and 3, and 5, 7, 8, and 1. Yes?
Beautiful.
Good job. Practice.
As usual.
Practice.